IM Traffic, Facebook Masters Training, a new 6-module training course with more than 3 hours of content on proven methods and strategies for beginners or seasoned marketers to effectively and quickly leverage the potential of their Facebook marketing and advertising efforts, has been launched. IM Traffic, Facebook Masters Training course is developed by the prominent Facebook marketing expert Kevin Fahey to help other social media marketers and advertisers, e-commerce sellers and brick-and-mortar business owners become Facebook traffic and marketing experts quickly. What is included in IM Traffic Facebook Masters? There are over 22 training videos and 3 hours of content securely presented in an easily navigated members area. Along with the best support in the industry, will be on hard answer questions. Customers will be blown away. Module 1, Introduction to Paid Advertising. Part 1, Training Overview. Part 2, Understanding Paid Advertisement. Part 3, Knowing the Numbers. Module 2, Facebook Ads Getting Started. Part 1, Facebook Ads Types Overview. Part 2, Facebook Placements Overview. Part 3, Facebook Audiences Overview. Part 4, Facebook Budget and Schedule. Part 5, Facebook Tracking Pixel. Part 6, Facebook Retargeting. Part 7, Facebook Ads Reporting. Module 3, Facebook Power Editor. Part 1, Understanding the Dashboard. Part 2, Setting up your campaign. Part 3, Creating your target audience. Module 4, Custom Settings and Reports. Part 1A, List Building Profits, Funnel and Image Ads. Part 1B, List Building Profits, Video Ads. Part 1C, List Building Profits, Lead Ads. Part 1D, List Building Profits, Connecting your autoresponder. Part 2A, Branding Profits, Fan Pages. Part 2B, Branding Profits, First Impression. Part 3A, Upsell Profits, Buyer Ads. And so on. Module 5, List Building with Facebook. Part 1, Insights and Research. Part 2, Audiences and Power Editor. Module 6, Facebook Targeting and Interests. Why should you buy it? If you are looking for the simplest and best way to get tons of the high-quality, free targeted traffic, you should pay very close attention to this brand new training course. Inside Kevin's IM Traffic Facebook Masters course, you will know how Kevin used Facebook to make more than $53,000 within only 60 days, and how you can get the big results too. His course comes with the over-the-shoulder training, as it will take you by the hand and teach you how to become a Facebook marketing expert with ease. Kevin spent hundreds, even thousands of dollars on testing the ads, so you will get a big shortcut and save that amount of money when you grab this course and learn everything from Kevin's own personal testing. It is not like the other courses. What Kevin teaches is working right now on Facebook, and even it is not like any other Facebook marketing course you have ever purchased.